happened was we came to the red light, and a guy, well, it was a green light, and the guy ran the red light, and this guy had to swerve out of his way, and then he came and pulled it over there. There wasn't a pedestrian, and we got a picture of the license plate because I knew he was going to run, so I told her to get one. She was on the passenger side.
Okay, so you saw somebody run a red light and then they took off?
Yeah,
and you got
this guy had to swerve around.
And you got a picture of their license plate?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
No, this guy ran. He's over there, man. What the fuck?
It's okay. Come sit down. Can you have him sit down?
Can't believe 911's not picking up.
Are you okay?
Have a seat. Oh, 911 is picking up. It's crazy.
No, we're gonna put the first
No, it's third.
Yeah, by myself.
Where's the other?
We have a picture of his license plate. We thought he was going to
I got the same situation a month ago, like with a stolen car.
We should probably sit down. We might just
No, just get out of Judas.
I know, he's gonna get in the car and leave. Who knows?
What the fuck is 911? What's it? Look at that.
911? No, they don't pick up.
That's insane.
It's crazy.
773.
He's got something.
I got it. Someone could die, boy. It's just 911 thing. Yeah, hey, we have a car accident at the
The other car took off.
The other car took off.
They got pictures.
we got a picture.
He ran away. You took a picture of her guy or no?
Was there a car that took off?
Yeah, did you take a picture?
Thank you very much.
Oh gosh, this is so crazy.
Here's shit. The other car took off.
We have his head on the windshield.
Okay, we're okay though? No one got hit by a car?
No, I swerved and avoided. The guy was going here, going like 50, and he ran the red, and I had to get out of the way somehow.
Okay, so everything, the guy ran away down the street.
And the guy ran. I just got out of the way.
There is a girl with a picture of the license plate of the car. If it means
Someone got the license plate.
there is a girl with a picture of the license plate of the other car.
Oh, yeah. Want someone to call them for you, or?
Can I come up there? Yes.
Okay, the other car that was involved fled.
Yeah, that's why we're saying so. A lot of license people got pictures and license.
David Henry.
It's a hit and run the vehicle fled. This was a single driver in that car. It was a pedestrian.
Oh, there was
No pedestrian.
no pedestrian.
Do you have a driver's license on you?
Yeah.
And you got your parents coming, or your parents around?
I haven't called them. They're gonna be like 25 minutes away.
What's your Take it easy, come up, guys. Fire department's gonna come check you out, okay?
Can we have you guys move off the street, please? You guys are about to have you guys go
You too?
Mom, keep the street clear. You guys mind just moving off the street,
Tell her
please?
right now you're okay.
Over here, away from the car.
Yeah. I'm gonna cross back over to the air bar.
Mother.